Hey guys, today I'm back with another styling tutorial showing you this stretched flat twist out with hanging bantu knots using products from Creme of Nature. So first I'll be cleansing my hair with the Creme of Nature Pure-licious Co-wash, and then on my freshly washed hair I'll apply the Argan Buttermilk Leave-in hair milk to my hair in 4 sections. This buttermilk is very lightweight, it gives me lots and lots of moisture and also has some great slip, so I'm able to easily detangle my hair. After applying the leave-in to all 4 sections, I then go on to blow out my hair. Since the leave-in technically isn't a heat protectant, I switch back and forth between a cool to low heat setting for my blow dryer to protect my hair from heat damage. Once my blowout is all done, my hair is nice and fluffy and soft. So now on to styling. I'm going to make myself a side part and then separate the front and back halves by creating parts from ear to ear. Once I have the front half separated, I'll then do some very loose 2-strand twists and clip it out of the way. And to create more volume in the back of my hair, I'm going to then separate the back half into top and bottom sections. So for styling my hair, I'll be using the Butter-licious Curls Hydrating Creme, which is a nice and lightweight hydrating cream. And I'm going to apply about a nickel to quarter-sized amount to each section and then begin to flat twist from the roots all the way down to the ends, and then apply a little bit more cream and 2-strand twist the rest of the way. Once I get to the end, I will then fashion myself a hanging bantu knot at the bottom and then just gently pull down to give it a little bit more hold. So I know that went kind of fast. I'm going to show you again. You apply the buttercream to your hair and then make sure you have evenly distributed throughout. I like to use my detangling brush for this purpose. And then I'm going to take and flat twist my hair all the way down. If you would like a more detailed tutorial on how to flat twist, just leave me a comment below. Now once I've run out of hair for flat twisting, I will then add a little bit more cream to my strands and 2-strand twist the rest of the way down. Now holding the twist about halfway down with one hand, I'll use the other hand to turn the twist back on itself and then wrap the remainder of the hair up until I run out of hair, just like a traditional bantu knot. I'll then give the knot a little tug downward to secure it in place. And this is what it looks like when I'm all finished. So I slept in these overnight, and the next morning I'll then take the 100% argan oil and apply it to my fingertips and then just rub my fingers through my hair. I'll then begin to separate my flat twists very carefully to prevent frizz. Now with the Butter-licious Curls Hydrating Creme, it really is more so a moisturizing cream. It's not really going to give me too much definition, which was totally okay with me because I really wanted a wavier look and I also wanted my hair to be big and fluffy. And then I'll do a little bit of edge slick back with the Perfect Edges Edge Control Gel. After a little bit more fluffing and separating, I'm all finished. I really do love how my hair turned out. It was probably the softest my hair has ever been. It was super lightweight, super bouncy, and my husband kept commenting on how good my hair smelled. So I'm definitely going to be keeping all of these products in the rotation. It was my first time using Creme of Nature and I was super duper impressed. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and as always, thank you all so much for watching. I will see y'all next time.